Your Binance profile nickname helps personalize your account, whether for branding or simply making it your own. In this guide, I'll show you how to change your nickname in just a few steps. Start by opening the Binance app on your device and ensuring you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, tap the profile icon. You'll find it in either the top left or top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Next, tap on your profile picture at the top of the page to access more options. Here, you'll see your profile details, including your current nickname. Look for the edit icon next to your name and tap on it. A new page will open where you can update your nickname. Simply tap on the nickname field, delete the old name, and enter your new one. Keep in mind that Binance only allows you to change your nickname once every 30 days, so choose wisely. Once you've entered the new nickname, tap Save, and your updated name will be instantly applied to your profile. You've successfully changed your nickname in the Binance app. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Binance tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.